In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a loading screen in Roblox Studio. First, open the Roblox Studio application on your PC. On the right panel, click on the plus icon next to the starter GUI. Now select the ScreenGuis option to add it here. Here, rename it and enter the loading GUI as a new name. Hit the plus icon of the loading GUI and add the frame. Drag and adjust the frame to full screen. Then click on an appearance on the right panel and select the background color. Choose the background color and increase the background transparency. After that, click on the plus icon next to the frame and add the text button. Place it in the center of the screen and name it loading. For the next step, decrease its transparency and bold the text in styles. To change the text color, choose a color of your choice and increase the text size. Following that, click on the plus icon next to the frame and add the local script. Enter the code as shown on the screen and you'll see the code including the loading button. If you'd like to grab some cool Roblox merch, check out the links in the description below. It's an affiliate link, so if you buy through it, I'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and I only link to products that I think my viewers would enjoy. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.